and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your RAM speed in Windows 11. So for that, go to search and type command prompt and click on run as administrator, and after that type wmic space memory chip space get space speed, and after that press enter. After that you will see speed, and below that you will see the speed of the installed modules. I have 2 modules installed and the speed of which are 1600 megahertz both, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, your videos, ideas and suggestions and comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.